Are you ready to start farming? Yeah, well, I am. And today I'm going to show you a really cool and easy way to start your farming and get a ton of addresses so that you can start getting more business from your farm and getting more listings. So let's go. I'm your favorite tech trainer, Bren Brewer, and today I'm going to show you a tool that's available to all of you if you want to go to it and use it. In Houston, here in our MLS, it is free, but you are more than welcome to try it out as well. And let me just sign in and show you guys what I'm talking about. So, as a member of the Houston Association of Realtors, we have a tool at our fingertips inside of our association called Remine. I'm going to search that in that search bar like I just did, and it should come up for me. And it's har.remine.com. You can just go to remine.com and do the same thing. So here is kind of my dashboard of what it looks like. So when you're farming, you want to pull up an entire neighborhood. Most of the time it's going to be maybe the neighborhood you live in or a different neighborhood. It's pretty much up to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on search on the left hand side. When I do that, it's going to bring up a map. And now I'm just going to, I actually have some searches in here, so I'm going to clear those out. But I am going to search a neighborhood that I am in, or that I want to farm. So let's just say I'm searching the neighborhood name. And the first thing that comes up is cities. We want to scroll down in this box to find the actual neighborhoods. So I'm going to click on the first one and make sure it pulls up the right neighborhood, and it does. And then I'm going to click add to cart. No, I'm going to save the search first. I'm going to save it as the neighborhood name, and I'm going to click save search. So now I have that neighborhood saved. So then I can come over here and click on list, and I have all of these addresses from that particular neighborhood. I'm going to add them to a cart. I'm going to call it the name of the neighborhood and the date. And then it says add this many properties to the cart. However many properties are in your search. So now if I go to my carts and I pull up what I just added, it's going to have all of those properties that I pulled in from that neighborhood. Then I can click export, name my file, and then below the name, it says choose your columns. I already have property address, mailing address, and owner information as things that I want to export, but you can click on this little down arrow here, open up the menu, and see that there are all kinds of things that you can export. So if you want any of this other information, be sure and click on it and add it to your columns that you want to export. I'm happy with property address, mailing address, and owner information because when I'm farming, I really just want to mail to these people, door knock this neighborhood, and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and click export, and it says success will notify you in a few minutes when your download is ready. So we're just going to wait on that for a minute. You can do other things. It'll be a pop-up in the top of your browser here. I think it has a green bar or something like that. And see here it says CSV download Longwood is ready. You'll just click the download button. It's going to save it to your computer. I'm going to put it on my desktop and click save. Now you can see that here it opened up in Pages, but I have a CSV of all the addresses, owner information, etc. that I can edit, manipulate, things of that nature. And I can also pull it into my command CRM, or I can pull it into any other CRM that I'm using. Let me know in the comments below if you are going to utilize this feature, and I can't wait to see you get so many listings from farming. See you next week.